What's up guys, welcome back. It's Mike on. I'm back with another video. So today's video I'm going to be showing guys how to do the human microwave on TikTok. My phone is broken now, so I don't really have like a thing, but like I can probably use my aunt's phone when she comes back. So let's get started. So camera. So if you don't have a tripod, you can just like set it on the floor or like on the couch or somewhere, or if like you can see your face back. So we're gonna start it right here. So you see that thing right here. So you just like kind of just like want to push yourself like this, like. Or if there's another way you can like move your like not this arm but this arm. You can like move this arm like this, like that. Or like no, I like it better this way because. So one of my TikToks will be on the thing. So if I ever make a TikTok about it, so yeah, that's basically how you make a human microwave. So love y'all. Peace out.